Alright guys, it's Laird again at South Burlington Mazda. I wanted to go over the new Mazda steering wheel with the beautiful Mazda logo. If we look at the last generation of the Mazda steering wheel, a lot of this information is still there, it's just slightly different. You've got your cruise control button, so you can set this one, and then you've got your advanced cruise control and traffic jam assist. Set plus and minus, instead of a little tab over here, it's just in the middle there. You can change how many blocks are in front of you for your adaptive cruise control. Mazda Intelligent Drive used to be down at the shifter, it's now right here. As you can see, I'm actually gonna move this down a little bit. You can go into sport mode, normal, or you can go into off-road. You've got your volume control and all your entertainment stuff on the left side, just like in your last generation steering wheel. Volume. You've got your ability to move, play and pause, track left and right. To talk to your phone, you still have the little face talking, and then hang up. And then you've still got, this used to be called the info button, and it would change what shows up on your display. And it's still right there and just another little icon. On this side, you've got the mode for your cruise control, and then 360 cameras on this trim level. The button is on your steering wheel, when it previously used to be in front of your left knee. Thanks so much for coming in and looking over how the steering wheel has evolved in the new 2026 Mazda CX-5. Thanks guys.